In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two people into one photo using Chatgpt. This process is surprisingly simple and can be completed in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open Chatgpt. If you haven't already, make sure you've logged into the platform. It's equally important to confirm that you're using a version that supports image processing, as not every version has this built-in capability. Once you're in, the next step is to prepare the two photos you wish to merge. Ensure these photos are clear and of good quality, as this will help in achieving the best composite image. Ideally, the individuals in these photos should be facing the camera in well-lit settings, as this minimizes shadows and highlights facial features, making the merging process easier and more natural looking. Next, navigate to the paperclip icon within the Chatgpt interface. By clicking this icon, you'll see a prompt to upload images or files. Select this option. Now, upload both photos you've prepared. If they're not easily accessible, it might be worth transferring them to a location on your device that's simple to reach, such as your desktop, for a smoother workflow. Once both photos are uploaded, you'll want to articulate how you'd like them to be merged. Be sure to give a detailed description. For instance, you might want to specify the positioning of the individuals in the final image or particular features you'd prefer to highlight or conceal. The more specific you are in this step, the better Chatgpt can process and execute your request to match your vision. If you find it handy, jotting down some notes beforehand can keep your thoughts organized and ensure you don't overlook any details. After entering your description, simply hit enter. From here, Chatgpt will take over its end of the work. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your request, this might take a moment, but generally, it's a quick process. As you wait, think about any possible tweaks you might wish to make once the image is produced. Maybe you'd like adjustments to lighting, or perhaps you'd like to see different backgrounds. Having an idea of possible follow-up edits will be useful if the initial merge isn't to your precise satisfaction. And that's all there is to it. Within just a few minutes, you can transform two separate photos into one cohesive image, blending elements as if they were part of the same initial snapshot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy experimenting with merging photos with Chatgpt. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments if you have questions or need further assistance.